Number 1.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $8,700. This is a remarkably clean and well-maintained example of a classic square-body pickup. With just 47,000 miles on the odometer, it's possible that the mileage is original given the truck's exceptional condition. It's finished in a striking red exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. Powered by a strong 5.0L V8 engine mated to an overdrive automatic transmission, the C10 runs and drives flawlessly. It starts right up, drives anywhere without hesitation, and performs exactly as it should. The truck is gasoline-powered and comes equipped with factory air conditioning, making it a comfortable ride even in warmer weather. Every aspect of the vehicle reflects careful ownership and consistent maintenance over the years. This is truly a standout example of a well-preserved classic Chevrolet pickup.
Number 2.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500, with approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer.
It features an automatic transmission, a powerful V8 engine, and runs on gasoline.
The truck is two-wheel drive and comes in a classic brown exterior with a matching brown interior, giving it a timeless look. Mechanically, the truck is in great shape. It runs and drives well with no overheating issues or leaks. Both the air conditioning and heater work perfectly, making it comfortable to drive year-round. It recently received a brand new battery, and the tags will be updated by this weekend. As expected from an older vehicle, the interior shows some wear, the seat has a rip, and the carpet is stained due to use by the previous owner. Additionally, someone previously attempted to steal the vehicle, damaging the plastic around the steering column. As a result, the key has been changed. Despite these cosmetic flaws, everything functions as it should, and the truck is ready to hit the road.
Number 3.
1988 GMC K1500, price $9,500. This truck has 181,500 miles on the chassis, but it benefits from a replacement 355.7L V8 engine with only 28,000 miles on it, offering strong and reliable performance.
The automatic transmission was also replaced and currently has just 55,000 miles of use.
It rides on 17-inch wheels and includes a clean title in the seller's name, with registration valid through February 2026. The vehicle runs on gasoline and features a comfortable interior with a tilt steering column. Though, like many trucks from this era, the column is currently loose. The seller notes this may be fixed by the time of sale. The air conditioning system has been bypassed due to a seized compressor. Additionally, the truck requires a new blinker relay, which has already been ordered directly from GM. While the tires are serviceable for now, they will need to be replaced before the next winter season.
Number 4.
1965 GMC 1500, price $10,000. This truck is a solid, reliable classic with a red exterior and matching red interior. It's powered by a 350 small block engine with approximately 70,000 miles, paired with a recently rebuilt 740R automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and features new porcelain headers, a new exhaust system, and brand new drum brakes all around. Mechanically sound and dependable, it starts and drives great.
The wooden bed has been removed, sanded, and is ready for paint and reinstallation.
Though it could use a fresh paint job, this truck is offered as is an excellent candidate for light restoration or daily use.
Number 5.
1973 Ford F-150, price $8,500. This classic pickup is in outstanding condition, showcasing a unique yellow exterior paired with a green interior that adds to its vintage charm.
With 129,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and is equipped with an automatic transmission for smooth and easy driving.
Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck fires right up without hesitation and is ready for the road. Recent updates include a brand new battery and a fresh set of tires, ensuring reliability and safety for everyday use or weekend cruising. The heater is fully functional and blows hot air, making it comfortable to drive even in colder weather. Overall, this F-150 runs strong and stands out as a well-preserved example of classic American craftsmanship.
Number 6.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,800. It's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifting and plenty of power. With 172,000 miles on the odometer, this two-wheel drive truck has been well maintained and just passed a smog check. The air conditioning blows ice cold like a snowstorm, and both the brakes and tires are in great shape. Finished in white with a matching interior, this extended cab model features 3 doors for easy access. It also comes equipped with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors for added convenience. A Bluetooth radio has been installed for modern connectivity, and the truck includes a bed liner and a tow package, making it ready for work or weekend hauls. The truck holds a salvage title but has current registration and no mechanical issues. The only notable flaw is a tear in the driver's seat.
Number 7.
1979 Ford F-150, price $5,450. It's equipped with a strong 351M engine, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. Finished in red on the outside with a matching clean interior, keeping that timeless late-70s look intact. Mechanically, it's in great shape and runs strong. Recent work includes a new fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel lines, fuel sending unit, and a fresh oil change, making it ready to hit the road. The body has some surface rust and a few dents on the passenger side, but the floorboards are solid, as seen in the photos. The tires show signs of dry rot, so any highway driving should be done carefully until they're replaced. That said, this F-150 would make an excellent project or a reliable cruiser just the way it is, a classic American pickup with great bones, a clean look, and plenty of potential.
Number 8.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $9,800, with 92,500 miles on the odometer.
It's powered by a freshly installed 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission.
The truck runs strong and is driven to work every day without any issues. It features a new exhaust system, as well as recently replaced brake calipers and rotors, ensuring dependable stopping power. The suspension could use some attention. The current owner has the necessary joints, but they haven't been installed yet. The steering has some play, which may require adjustment or further maintenance. The exterior is finished in a blue Rattlecan paint job, while the interior is black. The truck rides on good tires and sits on a solid, rust-free frame. Although the AC system is present, it needs to be recharged to function properly. The radio currently does not power on. A clean Arkansas title is in hand, making it a straightforward transfer for the next owner.
Number 9.
1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,759. It's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs exceptionally well, comparable to a newer truck. The blue exterior and matching blue interior give it a clean, classic look. Recent upgrades include new upper and lower ball joints, inner and outer tie rods, CV axles, front and rear shocks, a brand new monster transmission with a new torque converter, and performance parts like a KN filter, high-flow muffler, and throttle body spacer. The 4WD system works flawlessly. Lighting and tech upgrades include LED headlights, 52-inch and 22-inch light bars, 4 pod lights, and an aftermarket stereo.
It also features trailer brakes and sits on 18-inch wheels with mud tires.
This Chevy drives great, looks tough,
and is ready for anything. Number 10.
2000 Ford F-150, price $7,999, finished in a timeless black exterior with a clean gray interior. This full-size pickup has been driven 137,600 miles and comes equipped with a powerful 5.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering both strength and ease on the road. The spacious cabin offers comfortable gray seating and plenty of room for passengers, making it a great companion for long drives or everyday commutes. Under the hood, its 8-cylinder engine provides robust performance, ideal for work or recreation. With its bold black paint, solid build, and dependable mechanics, this F-150 is more than just a truck, it's a statement.
And for added peace of mind, a detailed Carfax report is available to ensure transparency about its history.